Hello my friends, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I want to talk about a technique that we're using in hair cutting, and it's very useful and is very professional technique. We call this technique scissor over comb or clip over comb. When we use this technique, basically when we start cut the hair with a clipper very short, when we cut the hair very short with a clipper, and now we want to blend the hair between very short to longer hair. And when we use this technique, when we cannot hold, there is not enough hold hair with your finger. See, when I'm holding, there is no hair, so I have to use this technique that calls scissor over comb. In this technique, you combing the hair straight and hold it up, straight up. Whatever you see extra hair here, you can cut it. Again, as you see, all the time I'm combing the hair and hold it straight, parallel to the head, straight up. And try to blend the short hair with long hair. We can do same technique with clipper. Whatever is easier for you, we're doing the same thing, combing the hair, and instead of scissor, we're using the clipper. In this way, you blending the very short hair to long hair, and you moving the line that you made it before between short to long. Now slowly you blending short to long hair. Thank you for watching. I hope you practice this technique and use on your hair cutting.